Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Caught in a Blizzard Part 1, Chapter 3. Okay, now what is the meaning of blizzard? It means heavy storm. Okay, in my last class I taught up to page 18. Today I am going to teach page 19. Let me remind you the name of the book. It's New Radiant Reader Class 8. Okay, this is for Class 8. Now let's recap a little. In my last video I discussed that Pud and his friends lit their pipes and talked with the lab for some while. Next, they exchanged greetings in their customary way. Okay, now let's start from here. Okay, having finished their smoke. Okay, having finished their smoke, the labs jumped into their pulkas. Okay, having finished their smoke, what did the labs do? Jumped into their pulkas. Pulkas means cart. Okay, and off we started once more, and they started their journey once more. The party soon arrived at Philestu. Now where did the party arrive? Philestu. Okay, it's a rest house. What is it? It's a rest house. Okay, where they spent the night, and over there they spent the night. Clear? Over there they spent the night. Setting out again next morning. They again set out next morning. It was 10:30 before we left next morning. Now it was 10:30 as the reindeer were away hunting for moss, and the reindeer were away hunting for moss. Clear? Now what is moss? Moss is a small plant specially grown in damp area and had to be caught and rounded up. Clear? Look, this moss, small plants grown in damp area. Now, while I was sitting in my sledge, I miss narrator. Okay, where was narrator sitting? In his sledge. Sledge means cart. Okay, waiting to start. An amusing incident happened. Now, what happened? An amusing incident. Amusing means interesting incident. I was throwing my shawl, I was throwing my shawl over my shoulder. Now, what was the narrator doing? Throwing his shawl over his shoulders. Okay, when reindeer caught sight of it, took fright, and what happened? Reindeer saw it. The reindeer became frightened. Okay, and plunging forward attempted to bolt away with me. Fortunately, he was unable to get far. Fortunately, he means reindeer was unable to go far since he was attached to another sledge by a long rope wound round his horns. As a result, he carried madly round and round in a circle like a totem top, while my sledge bumped and swayed. Now what happened to the sledge? Bumped and swayed. Swayed means moved, okay, behind him, much to the amusement of the labs. Labs were very much interested in it. Okay, much to the amusement of the labs. Labs were very much interested in it. I clung to the side of the sledge. Now, where was the narrator? To the side of the sledge, okay, with the laughter, till at last the reindeer became wound up in his rope and we came to standstill. And then they came to standstill means they stopped. Okay, this business over, remainder of the sledges and pulkas were got into line, and to the merry tinkling of the bells and the excited barking of the dog, we were off. One of the reindeer who pulled the baggage. Now, one of the reindeer who pulled the baggage pulkas was tied to the back of my sledge. He had enormous horns. Enormous means very big horns. Okay, he had enormous horns, which sometimes came alarming near, for he had an unpleasant habit of sniffing. Now, what unpleasant habit he had? Sniffing. Unpleasant means bad habit. Okay, bad habit of sniffing means smelling. Okay, at my head means a narrator's head, and now and then attempting a nibble. Nibble means bite at my leather helmet. Okay, at my leather helmet. Finally, he became so angry. Finally, the reindeer became so angry that I had to turn round more than once and push his eager nose away. Okay, up to this much, I am concluding this chapter, and my next video, I will teach chapter 4. Until then, goodbye.